This guy makes full-blown artwork using nothing but a typewriter. Yeah, it sounds a bit odd at first. Like, how does that even work? But the way he carefully presses each key, holding the paper just right, you start to see the cityscapes come alive, one tiny symbol at a time. It's not fast, it's not digital, but it's super satisfying to watch. And by the end, you'll forget this was made on a typewriter. This type of work requires a whole lot of patience, pinpoint accuracy, and a deep sense of visual imagination. The fact that he does all of this without any digital help makes it even more impressive. Maybe this is just his cup of tea, but to me, it looks like an insane amount of hard work. Even just watching it feels intense. I honestly wish I had the skill to do something like this.